Welcome to our guide on transforming your small business packaging into a delightful and memorable experience. Get ready to stand out with these 10 creative packaging ideas that will leave a lasting impression on your customers. 1. Personalized perfection. Elevate your brand with custom bags and boxes, adding a personal touch that speaks volumes about your business. 2. Green impressions. Embrace sustainability with environmentally friendly inserts that showcase your commitment to the planet. 3. Less is more. Create intrigue with minimalistic packaging that sparks curiosity and highlights the essence of your product. 4. Personalized touch. Include special instructions or notes to make your customers feel valued and appreciated. 5. Artful connections. Feature community-centered artwork that tells a story and fosters a sense of belonging. 6. Tangible stories. Include physical newsletters that share your brand journey, updates, and exclusive content with your customers. 7. Tape it up. Choose unique tape options that not only secure your packages, but also add a touch of creativity to the unboxing experience. 8. Handwritten charm. Add handwritten custom notes expressing gratitude or sharing a personalized message with your customers. 9. Craftsmanship spotlight. Showcase the artisans and creators behind your products, building a connection with your audience. 10. Elegant finish. Elevate your unboxing experience with carefully chosen tissue paper, adding a touch of elegance to every package. Ready to take your packaging game to the next level? Let's dive into the world of creative packaging ideas that will leave a lasting impact on your customers.